seal area on this block so that we can line hone it. So we got the head at 90 degrees and we dialed it in. It should be good. It's got red dye on it. Can we look at that? I think it's okay.
Yeah, let's get from my side.
Sounds about right. It's working, but I don't really like the rake on the back of that cutter because that's why it's chattering, because there's no clearance on the back. Okay, so the tool didn't have enough rake or whatever you call it the first time. That's why it was chattering. So we sharpened it a bit. So we'll start it up. That's going the right way, yeah. A little bit better. So now we measure. Okay, that's good. So this should be the final cut, but we'll find out when we're done.